Hello everyone. Session Manager is fully managed AWS System Manager that let us manage our EC2 instance through an interactive one-click browse or through the AWS CLI. So Session Manager is one of way to connect to our EC2 instance, and the price is no charge. So when we use Session Manager to connect to our instance, there is no charge for use that Session Manager. In this video, I will show you how to connect to our instance through Session Manager. Okay, before we can do that, we have to create a role from IAM, and we need to create a role for SSM Manager. We create new roles. We just click create role. Trust entities is AWS service, and the use case is for EC2. And the specific service is EC2 also, and we hit next. And for role or policies name to this role is we can search for SSM manage instance core. So this one, Amazon SSM manage instance core. We just check this policy and we hit next again. We name this role SSM instance test to make a difference from previous one. We can see that the trust policy is ec2.amazonaws.com and the policy is Amazon SSM manage instance core. We'll leave it tag as it is and create role. Okay, we have successfully create role for SSM instance to connect to our instance from Session Manager. And the second one we need to do is to change the security of IAM role of this instance or any instance that we want to create Session Manager. We want to create session to those instance. We modify IAM role, and right here we can search for test. This is it, session SSM instance test. I have choose the role that we create before, and we just click update IAM role. And the last one, we can just wait for a few seconds. We can just connect again, and we'll wait about a few minutes and just hit refresh on this browser to refresh the Session Manager. Basically, there is a message right here that we cannot connect with Session Manager because the IAM role that not configured before, but we have configured the IAM role and set it to our instance. We just wait a few seconds. And also there are another information that I need to share about. That's about SSM Agent. So basically, on instance that we want to connect with Session Manager, we need to install some agent called AWS System Manager Agent. And there are some instances that Amazon SSM Agent is pre-installed with this AMI image. You can click right here. The link about documentation I will provide on the description of this video. So SSM Agent is pre-installed on some Amazon machine image or AMIs provided by AWS. There is the list. We can see Amazon Linux 2023 and Ubuntu from 18 to 22.04, and we can see right now that that's our instance. This is the Amazon Linux 2023. That means SSM Agent is installed on this instance, so we don't need to install it manually to this instance. When we need to install, we just choose the operating system, maybe Rocky Linux. Maybe I'll create a video about this installation on Rocky Linux. Okay, we can go to instance again, can click connect again, and Session Manager, we just hit connect. Okay, we have successfully connect to our instance. We can type who am I, and we can see the OS release. This is Amazon Linux 2023, and when we hit top, we can see there is service called SSM Agent. This one, SSM Agent pre-installed from the Amazon machine image. When the operating system is not pre-install it, we can install from this manual. I'll provide the link on the description of this video. Okay, that's it. How we can connect to our EC2 instance from Session Manager. It's free, and also there is a limit by service quota. I think it's a lot of Session Manager that we can create to connect to our instance. This is useful when we disable public IP from the subnet. In this instance, we can see it has public IP, but by February 2024, there is small chart for public IP. So we need to change, or we need to optimize our EC2 instance or our server to use private subnet, so we don't have public IP, and we can use this Session Manager to connect to our instance without, we can see the information right here, without a bastion host, SSH key, or opening any inbound port. Sessions are secure using AWS Key Management Service. You can log session command and detail in Amazon S3 bucket or CloudWatch log for logging the system. And we can also connect to this instance with Session Manager from AWS System Manager. Thank you very much. We hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to smash the like button if you found this video is useful, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.